Delicious. Tiana, psst, psst. Jasmine? What are you doing here? Shouldn't you be with Cinderella? Cleaning the chimney and the fireplace? Cinderella is so into her work she won't even notice that I'm not there. Yeah, I can see that happening. Come with me. I have something I would love you to see. It isn't dangerous or cheeky by any chance. What? What are you talking about? I wouldn't do anything of sort. I don't know. You have a rather rebellious reputation. Don't be a chicken. Come on. Okay, I'm coming. Stop pulling me. Go on. Hey, come on. You can stop pushing me now. I can walk on my own. Okay. Anyway, where are you taking me? Do you remember the fun fair that came to town a few weeks ago? Yeah, but they are gone now. Yeah, I know that. But they left something behind. Really? Like what? We're almost there. You'll see it for yourself. Let's go. Okay. Ta-da! What is this? I think that's a vending machine. Wow, vending machine. Quick, Tiana, help me pull those branches away. Okay. Wow. 1, 2, 3, and lift. Oh, great job. That was heavy. Yeah, let's see if it still works. Let's put the coin in. Press the buttons. Oh, nothing's happening. Tiana, I'm here. I need you to go on the top of this vending machine. What? But why? You have to climb up to the top and try to move the diamond lever. How on earth do you even know that? Just believe me. I know a thing or two about machines like this one. Or diamonds. Okay. Okay. I can see the diamond lever. Great. But don't touch it yet. I'll try to switch the machine on. There. Go for it. Hey, nothing happens. It seems to me that it's just a pile of junk the funfair people left behind. Don't give up just yet. I might be able to fix it. How? You don't have any tools on you. Don't you worry your pretty head, dear. I know a secret move that could potentially fix anything. Yeah? Alright, let's see it. OMG. This actually works. Okay, try to move the lever again. Wow, so totally cool. Do it again. And out pops another one. Yay! Wait a second. Hey, Jasmine. There's another diamond I haven't noticed before. Ooh, can you move it? I can't seem to be able to push it. It doesn't budge. It has to have a purpose. Must find a way to activate it. Oh, hold on. I think I know how it works. Anything happens down there? Yes, the shelves are moving. Keep doing what you're doing. Now, how do I open this door? How about you just kick it? Great idea, Tiana. It's opened now. And there is few things in here. Let's just take some stuff. I'm not sure. We can't just take stuff that don't belong to us, can we? You're right, we cannot. But leaving it here to rot is not wise either. I know. How about we leave money in place for anything we take? Good idea, Jasmine. Do you have any money on you? As a matter of fact, I do. Look, that's great. Let's see what other stuff are in there. Ah! Jasmine? Are you okay down there? Jasmine, talk to me. Oh no! Jasmine! Oh, I'm coming down to save you. Hold on. Oh, poor Jasmine. There. Thank you so much, Tiana. I thought I can catch it, but it turned out the fashion caught me. I'm just glad you're okay. You know what? I think I'm done with the vending machine now. Yes, let's take our treasures home, but not before we pay our due. Yes, of course. There you go. There, that should be enough. So excited. Can't wait to show it to the rest of the girls. Hey, you! Where have you been? I got stuck in a chimney, and I would still be there if it wasn't for Aurora who came and rescued me. Oops. I'm so sorry, Cinderella. Where have you been anyway? We have explored the abandoned vending machine, and this is what we found. Wow! Fashion! So awesome! Let's open them! So guys, I think the princesses want me to open the fashions to see who's inside. Let's see what's inside the first one. And this one is... Oh, it's Rapunzel! Oh my gosh! Look at her long hair. Wow, this is amazing. She looks so lovely. So much hair on her. Oh, she's beautiful. Purple dress. And her elastic body. So nice. Oh, she's so pretty. Let's put her down next to Cinderella. And now let's open the other one. Which one do you think it's gonna be, guys? Oh, it's beautiful Belle from Beauty and the Beast. Look at her long brown hair and her gorgeous yellow ball gown. Oh, she's so pretty. Stick them here, and the last one. Oh, come on. This one doesn't want to open. And the last one is... Oh no! That's another bell. So we've got two bells. And Rapunzel here. Oh, I was really hoping for other princess. But never mind. Bells are beautiful. It doesn't matter how many of them we have. So there you have it, guys. I'm going to leave princesses here for now so they can finish their chores. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave it a like and subscribe if you would like to see more of my videos. I wish you a wonderful day and see you soon.